Okay, well, we're going to try to open up this packaging, which is a pretty neat packaging from whenever I bought this train, and I marked it so I knew what it was. 210 Pennsylvania Steam Locomotive, Loco, HIPPO. I think that was the nickname for this type of locomotive. So, for whatever reason, I have it in this nice little, and I'll probably just put it back. I didn't have a box. Oh, wow. That is a big tender. Really nice looking locomotive. Now, it seems like it's not really fully painted. It seems like it has a flat black color to it. And that's somehow indicative that that this was a kit. Now, I don't know for certainty, but I'm gonna guess that this was a Bowser kit. Now, it could be brass for all I know. It's all metal. Pretty interesting looking. But can we get this thing to work? Let's see now. If I put on the power, I want to make sure the power is off though before I flip the switch. Doesn't want to run. There's some little hesitation in there. She's definitely on the track. It is a 210, so it is a HIPPO. Let's change the direction. Okay, she's alive. Now the problem is this test track is really just not long enough for this locomotive. That's why I'm going to have to reinvigorate that big layout. Well, I'm going to have to get the locomotive cradle. It's kind of interesting. I wonder if it's kind of neat, open. Oh wow, this is just open in here. Look at that. It's kind of primitive. This is an old engine, man. Got to get the locomotive cradle. We'll do some more testing.